Good morning, students. In Geography, Chapter 3, Minerals and Power Resources. Under the head Non-Conventional Source of Energy, we have already learned wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, nuclear power plant, and today we see the last topic, biogas. Now first we see the meaning of biogas. Meaning, what do you understand the term biogas? Organic waste such as dead plant and animal material, animal dung. So what are the different things included in organic waste? जो हमारे प्लांट एनिमल्स डेड हो जाते हैं उसमें रिमेन्स होते हैं मटेरियल्स including animal dung and kitchen waste. Can be converted into a gaseous fuel. Called biogas. What is the meaning of biogas? In short, we can say that animal or plant dead, after the dead, जो सूखे पत्ते होते हैं, जो भी मटेरियल होता है, एनिमल डंग, काउ डंग, जो हम गोबर कहते हैं, गोबर गैस, अनदर नेम है गोबर गैस. तो एनिमल डंग एंड किचन वेस्ट, जो भी हमारे वेस्टेज होते हैं किचन, वो सारे के प्रोसेस के होने के बाद कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू और गैसियस फ्यूल. तो गैस के फॉर्म में जो हमको ईंधन फ्यूल बर्तन मिलता है कॉल्ड द बायोगैस. इसको हम बायोगैस कहते हैं. तो ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट इज डीकम्पोज बाय, अभी जो ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट को डीकम्पोज करा जाता है कौन से मेथड से? बाय बैक्टीरिया इन बायोगैस डिजास्टर्स टू emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Now here is a one figure 3.23. You see with the help of this picture biogas, generation of biogas, how we get the biogas. Here is a gas tank. Slurry, soil, manure, outlet and fertilizer. How we get biogas? This picture shows. Organic waste such as dead plant and animal materials, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted into the gaseous fuel is called the biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas disasters to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for, so we use biogas, it is an excellent fuel, ये हमारा ईंधन बर्तन for cooking and lighting, and produces huge amount of organic manure each year. Produces organic manure every year. Energy is everywhere, but we can see that harnessing this energy is both difficult as well as costly. Each one of us can make a difference by not wasting energy. Energy saved is energy generated. Now all of you as a human being, we have to energy save, हमको एनर्जी को बचा के रखना. Why? Because is energy generated. अगर एनर्जी बचा के रखेंगे तो ही एनर्जी जनरेशन पॉसिबल हो सकता है. Act now and make brighter energy future. This is the conclusion part of our chapter. Now we see the advantages and disadvantages of biogas one by one. First, to generate the biogas, cost is very low, easy to operate, makes use of bio waste, These are the advantages of biogas. Cost, जो बायोगैस बनाने की कॉस्ट रहती है इज़ वेरी लो, अच्छा बहुत कम आता है. इजी टू ऑपरेट, बायोगैस ऑपरेट करना वेरी इजी होता है. Makes use of bio waste. At the generation of biogas, at that time bio waste जो भी होता है उसका भी we can use again. So these are the advantages. Now we see the disadvantages of biogas. It causes greenhouse effect. At the time of generation of biogas, we can say that the greenhouse effect पड़ता है, causes the greenhouse effect. It is a disadvantage of the biogas. Now we see, with the help of flow learning, minerals. First, again we revise our chapter minerals. Now children, you tell the types of minerals. First, we have already started metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Now you also remember, under the metallic minerals there are again two head: ferrous metallic minerals and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Now examples of ferrous: iron ore, manganese, chromides. And which are the non-ferrous? Gold and silver. It includes the iron under the ferrous metallic minerals, and under the non-metallic minerals it does not contain the iron. So these are the gold and silver. Now last we have seen the non-metallic minerals. Under the head non-metallic minerals, limestone, gypsum, mica. These are the non-metallic minerals. Now we see the text exercises, and all of you have to write down the exercises of chapter 3 in the notebook. You also draw this flow learning in your notebook under the head chapter 3, minerals and power resources. We see in the next class text exercises. All of you have to write down page number 37. We are learning and writing in the next class. Thank you very much.